What if I told you that building a truly successful business isn't just about hitting numbers or chasing results? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to move beyond buzzwords and define real actionable values that can fuel the growth of your company and your life. Let's dive into part 2 of this series where we break down exactly how to do it. Hi, I'm Jen Kem, founder of the Master Brand Institute, where we help founders, experts, and entrepreneurs build wildly profitable personal brands from the inside out. And today we're going to deep dive into what it really means to be a values-driven business. This video is part 2 of a 4-part series that's all about helping you identify your top 5 core values so you can use them to build not just a successful brand, but a successful life. We're pulling this straight from my program, The Messenger, and I'm so excited to share with you my 3-part framework that will help you define real values, not just corporate or internet buzzwords. We'll be talking about 2 crucial elements: voids and violations. These are the gaps and the boundaries in your business and life that you absolutely need to identify if you want your values to really stick. Here's something we don't talk about enough. Any business can be results driven, but lasting success, that only happens when you're values driven. Results matter, of course, but results come and go. They fluctuate with the market trends and outside forces. But what doesn't change? Your values. Your values are the foundation that keeps your business strong, even when the world is unpredictable. When your team knows your values, they know what they're working on beyond just hitting the numbers. And when your clients understand your values, they trust you more deeply, and trust is your #1 currency. But let's be honest, everyone talks about values, using the corporate mission statements plastered with words like integrity and innovation. But how many of those are actually lived out in day-to-day business? Real values go beyond these buzzwords. They are lived. They are felt. They're reflected in the decisions you make and the way that you lead. And for your values to have real power, you need to know 2 things. First, what's missing in your business and life? These are called your voids. 2, what are the boundaries that, if crossed, violate who you are at your core? These are what we call your violations. And today, we're going to uncover both of them. Let's start with voids. These are the gaps in your life and business, those missing pieces that leave you feeling unfulfilled, even when everything seems to be going well on the surface. Maybe it's a lack of community, maybe it's creativity, or maybe there's no sense of purpose driving your work. Whatever it is, voids are the areas where your values need to fill the gap. Identifying these voids is crucial because it tells you where your energy should go and where you need to realign your business with what truly matters to you. So take a moment and ask yourself, where am I feeling a gap? What feels off in my business even when things are successful on the outside? What are some things even on the outside that you feel like if people knew more about you, you would be able to solve those voids in the marketplace? These answers will give you the major insights into the values you need to lean into. Now, let's talk about violations. These are the things you won't tolerate. Think of them as your hard lines, the boundaries that, if crossed, violate who you are at your core. Maybe it's dishonesty in how business is being conducted. Maybe it's the lack of respect within your team. Maybe it's the feeling of being overworked and undervalued. When you define your violations clearly, you give yourself permission to protect your values and your business from toxic influences. This isn't just about saying no to things. It's about drawing a line in the sand and knowing without a doubt what goes against your core beliefs. Defining these violations helps you set the stage for a brand and a business that stands for something. When people know what you won't stand for, it makes it clear what you do stand for. So, that's a wrap on today's video. I know it was quick, but I hope it was helpful. Remember, your values need to fill those voids and protect you from those violations. It's really a mindset shift that once you make that shift, your business will start to transform. But before you go, I've got one more thing for you. Take our Brand Archetype quiz. That link is right below this video. It's a powerful tool to help you understand how your values show up in your brand's personality. And trust me, this quiz will give you the clarity and focus you need to take your business to the next level. And if you found value in learning about values in this video, give it a thumbs up and make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss the rest of this series. I'm Jen Kem. and I'm here to help you build a business driven by your real values so you can build the wealth, power, and leadership you're meant to bring to the world. Until next time.